We're going to get up close and personal with a main landing gear on an Airbus 330. It's the hydraulic extension and retraction assembly right there, the main strut. These are our 4 tires. This is our strut right here that goes up and down based on how the airplane is loaded. And of course here we have our brake calipers. They're carbon brakes on an Airbus. So we have each wheel has its own brake, secured by those screw bolts right there. And that is an Airbus A330 main landing gear.